Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Thought I'd take some time today to talk to you guys about old-fashioned laundry detergent. I still remember the smell of this detergent when my parents and grandparents would do laundry once a week. They would use an old wringer washer, and this is the detergent that they would use. With everything that's been going on lately, detergent and soap has been sort of hard to come by. I've seen a lot of places that didn't have any right now with everything that's going on, but you still may be able to find these ingredients to make your own, and that's why I wanted to share this with you guys. It's a real simple recipe. It doesn't have any more than 3 ingredients in it, and what it is it's a bar of Fels-Naptha soap. um, this is about 1/3 of a pound, and the reason I say that is you need 1 bar of this for a batch, or you need about the equivalent amount of homemade soap. So if you have your own homemade soap, you can use that as well. This is just my lard and lye soap right here that I make from time to time. I could use that as well if I didn't have the Fels-Naptha, but I wanted to show you the old-time recipe as I remember it. And the other ingredient that's in it is washing soda. And then the last ingredient of the 3 is borax. And a couple things on these ingredients. Borax is kind of good to have around anyway because you can use that as an ingredient for tanning hides as well as cleaning. And this Fels-Naptha soap is actually really strong. If you know you've been exposed to poison ivy, and you can wash up with this stuff really good after you've been exposed. And this, because it is so strong, will remove those poison oils from your skin and maybe prevent the rash and the blisters that go along with it. So these ingredients are kind of nice to have around for other things too, not just the detergent. And basically all you do is you take a box grater like this on the real fine side, and you take the bar of Fels-Naptha and you just grate up one of those bars, and then you're going to add a cup of the laundry soda and a cup of the borax into that, and you're going to mix that up. And what you're going to get is you're going to get a yellowish fine powder that looks like this right here. And all you do is you take a little bit of a stick or something or spoon to stir this up with. I'm using a stick here. This stuff is kind of strong, so you don't want to get this on your skin. It's just a little bit caustic because of that laundry soda. So I like mix it in plastic and using wood here so there isn't any problems with that. And the stuff is fairly powerful. You only need about, I'd say, 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons full of this in a load to wash it up. Another thing here with the Fels-Naptha soap or your own homemade soap, you can also pre-treat stains. Like if you got a pair of jeans that got really dirty when you're gardening or something, you can moisten that up, or you can do the same with your homemade soap, and you can rub that on the stain first before you go ahead and wash it. And then when you got it all mixed up, all you got to do is just put it into a plastic container here with a lid, and it'll keep for you. It's just give you an idea here what it looks like in the container. And you can just store it with the rest of your stuff. Like I said, I just wanted to share this old-time recipe here with you guys as I remember it from my childhood. Like I said, if all the Tide and all that stuff is gone, you might still be able to find a couple bars of the Fels-Naptha, a box of laundry soda, and a box of borax. And with that stuff, you can make quite a bit of detergent to wash your stuff with if you have to. Anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information and a little entertainment out of my videos, and you guys take care now.